Hey guys, we received this Coolie Metal non-stick enameled cast iron cookware 3 frying pan set with the 8-inch, 9.5-inch and the 11-inch large frying pan, healthy and the good cooking pan. So really nice weight that I can say, and comes in this protective pack. This can be used in any cooktop and the right pan with a 3-piece set. Very nice quality because I can feel the weight, and the portability is easy to clean and easy to use. As you can see, the coating inside and the handle and everything is comfortable. So because of the base, it can be used with any cooktop, electric or gas. And then as I mentioned, they're easy to clean because I washed one, and then it's pretty nice and easy to clean and use. So I can use it in frying something or any vegetable. But the weight wise, they are really nice cast iron, like pure iron, and really high weighted one. So we can just show like how this thing work. Like the cleaning and washing is pretty straight. As you can see, it cleans well with just soap and water. We are just cooking things on it. So just evaporating some water, so make it hot. Evenly distribution of the heat. So this is pretty nice. As you can see, it's distributing evenly. So let's just wait for the water to evaporate. Putting in the oil just to show, frying things like onion and stuff. So it's pretty nice, non sticky. So you can see this works really well, and there is no problem with the working. So evenly distribution of the heat, no sound, non-sticky. So it's pretty cool. Also, like, you can do other spices and stuff. So this is a really nice pan, and you can do all the different type of cookings in here. Pretty nice and cool pans.